Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warzone mic not working on PS4. It's really easy, and the first step what you need to do here, you need to go on PlayStation 4 settings and you need to go on devices and on audio devices, and here on input device make sure that you selected the headset or the microphone that you're using right now, and on output device also as well. I'm using headset, so as you can see here it chosen correctly. And on microphone level, adjust microphone level, make sure that microphone is picking your voice correctly. All right, and if everything is all right on these options, then you need to go on Call of Duty Warzone, and then you need to press options button to be on options, and then go on audio section, and on voice chat make sure that is enabled, and also on open mic recording threshold make sure that is not too high, because simply if the threshold is way too high, my microphone will not basically pick your voice. So I like to use default 3.16 and it's working quite good for me. And also if basically your friend says that you are hearing too quiet, probably your microphone is not too good, and what you need to do here is to basically put the microphone volume higher. All right, so if the friend says that they are not hearing you quite well, so make sure to put on to 50 or even more. All right, and when you satisfied with your basically options, then as you can see here on the right side there is microphone test, and what we need to do here, press L3, and as you can see here my microphone is picking my voice correctly and quite good. All right, so even I need to basically lower my microphone volume for that. Right, so guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.